Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this video is very important, and this is with respect to Infosys. So many of the students did not receive the exam link. Many of the students received the exam link post examination. That means they had exam at 11 a.m., but they received exam link at 12, but they received exam link at 3 p.m. So all those things has happened. Now what is the solution? That is what we are looking for. So watch the video till the end. I will not take much of your time, so the solution will be straightforward and very much simple. Okay, so before we go to solution, I just wanted to tell, so if you have still not followed our Instagram page, then please do follow, because anything with respect to hiring, okay, or exam pattern, or all your queries we are taking through Instagram reels, where you will be able to save your time. Within 30 to 40 seconds you will be able to get to know about the hiring process and all. Okay, now, so you could see the comments here. So my Infosys exam was scheduled for yesterday 3 p.m, but I received the mail yesterday after 6 p.m, and the link has expired. Is there any chance I can reschedule it? Please suggest what can I do in such situations. Okay, my Infosys exam scheduled today at 3 p.m, but I received mail just now. What should I do, sir? So that means post that. So sir, today 3 p.m, but again same thing. Today is my Infosys exam, but during the test, due to network issue, the exam was stopped. My exam scheduled 10 a.m, I got mail at 12 p.m, but the link is expired. What should I do? So this kind of queries, you can see this is full of the comments, and because I was not well, I was unable to make videos on that. Okay, so what is the solution? That you need to understand it. So the mail has come from talent.acquisition@infosys.com. On the same email, we need to send a mail to Infosys. Okay, keep that in mind, on the same email. And everyone, those who has faced the problem, everyone has to send a mail to Infosys. In that case, what will happen? See, when they will get a lot of email regarding this, then definitely your exam will be rescheduled to next week, I mean coming week, or they will provide you some solution. So this is a effort which is going to happen from all of you. So if one or two student is sending the email, then nothing will happen. See, when they will get a lot of emails from you guys, okay, see, suppose if 500 students are sending the same mail that, sir, I was not able, I did not receive the link, or I received the link post the exam time and I was not able to attend the examination. So when they will have 500,000 emails, then definitely they will reschedule the examination, or they will provide some solution. So everyone, so I request whoever has commented and whoever has faced the problem, so I will request you to please send a mail to talent team, and see, they definitely take care of all the things. There might be some technical glitch, because this is the first time it has happened that many of you were not able to receive the link, or many of you got the link post your exam time and the link was expired. So there is only one solution. So please check this email ID properly, talent.acquisition@infosys.com. Send the email today itself and wait for them to respond. Your exam will be definitely rescheduled. Your exam will be definitely conducted again, provided everyone is sending a mail to Infosys. Okay, so please do send a email. Maybe if not one email, send 5 emails. Okay, so at least per day send 2 to 3 emails. So when their inbox will be flooded with your email, then only they are going to take care of these things. Okay, so this is a technical glitch. We cannot say so why Infosys did like this. So this is completely a technical glitch has happened here. Okay, the because it's a system generated email, so whoever has selected, they should receive the email and I mean with the login ID and password to attempt the examination. So this is completely a technical glitch, nothing to do with the human error here. Okay, so I request all of you to please send a email to talent team, and they will definitely reschedule it 100%. So no need to worry at all. And provided, as I said, so everyone has to send a mail, those who has not received. So you can send a mail or replying to this the same mail. So this link you would have got, right? This email you would have got that you were selected for the system engineer role. Now here only you can reply by changing by putting all those things like I was not able to receive the link, or I received the link post exam time, the link was expired. So explaining all these problems, you can send the email to Infosys and on the talent team, and they should definitely take a look into that. Okay, so follow our Instagram page, and stay ahead with all the latest updates. Thank you. Take care. All the best.